Hello, I hope everyone's good. So I just wanted to introduce you to my new vlog and tell you a little bit about what I'm up to, why I'm doing this, and yeah, we'll just kind of go from there. So I also have a package that I'm gonna uncover today, and so we'll do that as well at some point. So um, what has inspired me to start this vlog, and why now? Well, I've been in the business for, I've been crocheting for 25 years and I have so much experience. And I just finished a market yesterday where I connected with some people that are new to markets. And I also work as a business consultant or a business coach where I work with women who are starting small businesses. And some of the questions they have are so good. And um, I don't really have a way to consolidate everything that I've learned over the years. And um, I want to be able to share that. I want to be able to share my experience and my knowledge and things that will hopefully make it easier for other people just kind of starting out and starting with their, their small handmade businesses and, um, or even just crochet businesses in particular, as this is a crochet channel. So that's sort of where this is coming from. Another important piece is that I've had over a year of kind of battling thieves. So I've had lots of people message me and say that, they bought this kit, for instance, this kit with my mankini gnome, and it comes with this QR code, and they're having trouble with accessing the QR code. And well, that's not me. So I don't have a kit for my mankini gnome. And so we've put in the uh, we've put in the complaints into those websites that are hosting those thieving people, and really working towards eliminating that as much as possible. And it has been a challenge, and it's a constant challenge. So I really would like to start to gate my patterns. And I know that sounds like counterintuitive. We're not supposed to be gatekeeping, but that's where we're going. That's where I'm going. That's where we're going with our little business. So yeah, so that's part of it as well. So I just wanted to tell you that. And my next thing that I wanted to talk about is, so for anyone that's new to Fat Lady Crochet, how would I describe my channel and like, what am I all about? Well, my channel, I think I've done a good job explaining what I'm hoping to do. And my patterns are really designed to invoke feelings of nostalgia and happy childhood memories. So that's, you'll see, for instance, these guys in the back, and I've got my book, my nursery rhymes book. So it's really all about. I love when people let me know that they're making my patterns for gifts, or when they give somebody a gift that they've made using one of my patterns. It's really special. Like that's really what I love. So my goal is to just really be creative and spark a lot of joy. I know that sounds so trite, but that is really what I love to do. And that's how I like to run my business. And that's how I like to connect with my audience. What I'm hoping to do is keep it relevant, talk about the designs that I'm working on. I want to share with you ideas, business tips, and insider sort of tips and tricks and things that I've learned. I want to share with you what it's like to be a designer, to, you know, all of the ups and downs and the creative ups and downs, and working through creative blocks, all of those kinds of things. So that's kind of what I want to share with you. I want to be able to show you some fun ideas. So I want to show you how to make these mushrooms. So we're going to do that in a little while. Yeah, so those are the things that you can expect. But again, I want you to interact with me. So if you have any questions, that's another thing I want you to do, is if you have questions, I would like to take a chance to answer those questions in the vlog. So that would be, you put your questions in below the video, and then at a later date I will read the questions and answer the questions. And yeah, we'll play it by ear a little bit. All right, it's time to open up our package. So this is a project I work with, Annie's Designs, and this is going to be a new design that I'm working on. I've ordered this beautiful yarn, and let's open it up together and see what we've got. And speaking of Annie's, you may have seen my big fat cat pattern. That was an Annie's signature design that I did, I think, in about 2022, and it's done really well. I've seen people have made lots and lots of them. So what I've ordered here is for a secret project. I can't tell you what it is. That's up to Annie's to let you know when the time is right. So, but I can show you the yarn. So let's see what we've got here. So it is really nice. I always really like working with this. This is Annie's Premier Anti-Piling yarn. So I've got it in this color, which is, do they have a name for it? It looks like the name is not on. Oh, saffron. I've got it in saffron. And then we've got the next one is a nice dark blue. It's kind of a smoky blue, and it's called Indigo. The next one is sort of a minty almost, but it's blue, a really pale, really nice color. And this one is called Frosted Mint. So it is a little bit green. And the next one here, this is a nice neutral. It is called Linen. And then I have this pale moon color. I really love this one. It's a super, super light yellow, very pale yellow, and it is called Honey. And the last one I have here is a really beautiful cream. And this one is called, it's called Cream. So there you go. And what is this? Looks like I have a coupon in here too. So 75% off my first kit club shipment. So that's in there as well. So this is super fun. I love this envelope. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using for my secret project. What do you think it's going to be? I would love to know what you think it might be. So anyways, that is the end for today. Thanks for joining, and tune in next time, and we'll see you. Have a great day, and we'll catch you later.